Hey guys, welcome back. It's another project in central London, Alhamdulillah, under the banner of Sharia Homes. We've probably got about 6 projects on at the go at the moment. Total value is about 8 to 10 million pounds. I don't really count. All I do is buy and make sure that we deliver the best houses in London.
Alhamdulillah, God gave me everything. Alhamdulillah.
View shows you the first floor front to back, and it shows you the scale and the size of this, which is one of the reasons that we bought it. And this is a very special acquisition which we snapped up for cash for me and my lucky investors. And looking at the turnaround here on the back, it just shows you the full length. And then upstairs we've got the planning for a double dormer, which we're going to have a look at. As you can see, we've got everything stripped back to the brickwork. All the floors are out, all the partitions are out, and the site is really important, guys. It looks clean, right? That is a testimony to the quality of our in-house teams, the contractors, and how we operate for ourselves and our investors. Alhamdulillah. Let's take a look upstairs. We are in the loft that's been created. Now, all of the work that's been done here has been done within the last week, and I'm just going to walk to the other side, which just shows you the scale and the size of this loft, which is humongous. We got planning permission to create a double dormer, which is our simple rinse and repeat model. It's not rocket science, and Alhamdulillah, it's fairly easy. Now, you saw how clean the site was downstairs, but if you just look at the organization here, this is where you can tell that everything's running smoothly and the teams, most importantly, are on point. We've got the guys on the roof at the moment just putting on the tiles. Let me see if I can go up there and show you that as well. This is the roof, and that front addition you can see is above the main bedroom, and then we've got the rear addition as well. And what the guys or the teams are doing now is they've boarded it, put some fiberglass on there, and next week we'll start tiling it with some new tiles like next door, although ours will be black, which are the tiles down there, and we'll have this completed for next week. Coming to the ground floor, and I'm going to be showing you how we're organized here once again as well. So the double reception room, which is here, which leads onto a kitchen, I'm not really going to focus on that. I'm just going to focus on the site, and once again how organized it is, how clean it is, and how streamlined and efficient it is, which helps us maximize the profit for ourselves and our investors. Coming back here, going into the rear room, which then leads onto a garden. We used to have a shed there, and it's now been demolished, and this is where a new garden will be created. Let's have a look if we can see the new loft from up here. And this, we can see a little bit there. So that gives you another update on this project. I'll share the location on my next video. If you have any questions, please put them into the comments and I'll try and help. Once again, we can't do this on our own. We do this with the backing of our investors and by the grace of the Almighty. Alhamdulillah. Property is not rocket science. Just keep it simple. See you soon.
Alhamdulillah, God gave me everything.